Hello guys, and welcome back to JD's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my very simple fish pie or fish roll filling. These are my ingredients. I have chopped onions, chopped carrots, chopped green spices, kitchen glory, a fish seasoning, white pepper, and seasoning cubes. Now let's jump right into the process. Today I'll be using Morocco fish. It's a fish that is very common here in Cameroon, and I'm going to just debone it. I steamed it for 10 minutes, or I would say I boiled it because there was water. I boiled it with some salt for 10 minutes, and that was it. I added no other spices. I just put salt, and then I went ahead to debone it, and now I'm using my fork to make sure that it's properly crushed. And then for my oil that I'm going to use to make my filling, I would use butter. Now you can use olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. I start by pouring in my carrot, and then I go in with my green spices, which consists of celery, parsley, and spring onions. And then I add my purple onions into the mix, and then I mix it together. I mix it together thoroughly just so that everything can combine nicely. And then I go ahead with my white pepper. I'll add in my white pepper. I'm going to add in some seasoning cubes, and then I'll mix it together. Now there's this I'm going to add the other seasoning I showed you guys earlier, the kitchen glory. But first I went in with my fish, and then I mixed it all together. I'm going to give it a taste. Now this is the kind of filling I like. I like filling that is very simple and not very wet. So I've noticed that a lot of people enjoy their filling when it's moist. So this is where you could probably maybe add some water, some milk, some flour. I've seen different mixtures of seasoning, how people add different things to get their mixture very moist. So you can see me adding my kitchen glory fish seasoning right now. So I would even advise that you should add this before you go ahead to add your Maggi cubes or your seasoning cubes, because this is very tasty. It has some salt in it. Reason why you've not seen me use salt as I started making the filling. Okay, so I would advise that you add it before adding your fish, but I went the other way around. Yeah, so I tasted it. As you can see, I took a little bit and it was yummy. So I don't cook it for too long. I just cover it now and turned off the gas so that the heat in the pan can continue cooking the carrots and the other vegetables. And that was it. I used it to make my delicious and yummy fish roll. If you have not watched my fish roll recipe, please go and check it out. It turned out amazing and I enjoyed it. And the heat when frying the fish roll will actually go ahead and soften the carrots again, hence giving it a little bit of moist, like it will feel moist inside, so it will not be as dry. And I think I prefer it this way. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.